Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels, black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, sunroof, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, a clean set of all-season floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center. This GLE has 37,806 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.